Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are here at the Springhill Suites in Lake Buena Vista, Florida, right outside of Disney property at Disney Springs. And we are here to stay one night and to give a full review of this hotel to you guys. We know that you guys have been asking for more reviews of local hotels to find out what hotels are right for you, your family, and your budget. So we're gonna be spending the night here. Let's head on inside and give you guys a brief tour of the hotel. So before we head inside the hotel, I just wanna share this little piece of information with you guys. When you come in and you look for the Springhill Suites, you have the entrance right over there, right off of Vineland, and then you come out right over here and you have the courtyard, the Fairfield, and the Springhill right over here, all in this one circle area. And you do have to pass through a security checkpoint to get into this area. So if you're staying at either one of these hotels, you got to pass through there. And this is a nice little courtyard area. So all these hotels are in this little community type thing. that is here, and that is I-4 right over there. You can see all the cars driving by, and that's one of the Disney World shuttles that takes you over to the Transportation and Ticket Center. And there is also a little children's playground right down there, which is really cool. So right off the bat, you can already tell that this is going to be a great area for families to stay in if you are looking for an alternative to Disney hotels that are on property. Now let's head on inside our hotel and see what we got. As soon as you walk in the hotel, you can tell the Disney influence is already here. You can buy Disney World tickets at the hotel. This is the Springhill Suites by Marriott. Let's check out the lobby. Very, very nice lobby. You got your coffee station over here, and the breakfast area is right back there, which we'll be showing off later on. The main elevators, some seating area, and just area to hang out. There's the front desk to the right as soon as you walk in. They have a little Expedia station back here that you can use to buy tickets to other theme parks around the area, including Busch Gardens. They have a TV over there showing off some of the stuff. They got some maps over there. Got some Disney World stuff over here for you guys to look at as well. SeaWorld and even Universal. Really, really cool. Let's take a walk down here. They have a little grab-and-go station, the market. They got snacks and stuff and your waters. They even got some desserts. Your alcohol, you can never have enough of that. Come on down, waters and sodas. And basic toiletry items. Deodorant. Toothbrushes, toothpaste, some Motrin. They even got an ATM down here. Cool, cool, cool. Got their Toy Story Land promos going on. There's some guest rooms down there. Restroom. Legoland advertisements. Here's another look at the front desk area. Let's head on outside and take a look at the pool. Now, for the location of this hotel, it is not a bad price point. This hotel for a Friday night cost us $98 plus tax, plus a $15 parking fee if you are driving your own vehicle. So overall, that is not bad for the location and proximity to the parks. That's not bad. And breakfast is included here. So that is something that is very, very cool. And I definitely think that this hotel so far will be a great fit for a family that is on a budget coming to Orlando. Let's go ahead and head on upstairs and check out our room, shall we? All right, we are walking into room 3537 of the Springhill Suites. And wow, this is a pretty small room.
What else did you want?
I don't know.
Hello.
Yeah.
Cool. There's like 5 people in here.
Yeah. Huh. And adjacent room. Cool. There are no other lights in here.
Alright.
These. Okay. Little sink. Microwave and a refrigerator. I'm always disappointed when there's nothing in the refrigerator. Got a coffee maker. I'm sure the bathroom's right down this way.
No, there's no bathroom.
There's no bathroom.
Yeah.
Nice king size bed.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Ooh, got a nice view of the pool. My camera battery's about to die. Nice view of the pool. It's me. Hello. Alright, camera battery died. This is the sink area. You got this handsome devil over here. Turn around, another handsome devil. Sorry I don't come with the room. Yeah. You got a shower. Really nice. And lots of towels. I definitely like all the towels. Can't wait to turn that on and see what kind of pressure it's got going on over here. Cool. Nice clean toilet. Always nice and appreciated. Nice. There's a lot of space in the bathroom. I like that. It's a lot of space for if you're having to really take a mean poop and you gotta spread your legs and you gotta squat and just, you know, really push it out.
Hey, if you need a squatty potty.
Squatty potty? What's a squatty potty?
Oh my God. I need to educate you.
Okay.
Uncultured squatting.
we can do that later. But yeah, it's not a very large room, but it is still nice. How much was this room a night?
I paid with fees and everything.
98? Yeah, 98.
I mean parking, but
Yeah.
at least it's secure.
Yeah. So yeah, 98. Little closet space in here. It's got the luggage rack, ironing board, iron, some extra linens, some coat hangers, and a laundry bag. That's cool. We got our AC unit over here. Oh, we gotta find the holy Bible. No Bible. Ah, the Bible and the Book of Mormon. Yes. We got it. This is a good hotel. And she's already got the YouTube going on the TV. Good God. YouTube.com/theme park express.
Plug.
Yes, shameless plug. And yeah, that's about it. So we are going to be
Squatty potty commercial?
Oh jeez. So we are going to be staying the night in this hotel. We'll be sure to check back with you guys in the morning to let you know how it is as far as the noise levels are concerned. Hey baby. As far as the noise levels are concerned and how we slept on the bed and everything. Yeah, we're very tired. We'll see you guys in the morning.
The next day.
Good morning, everybody. It is approximately 6:54 in the morning, and we're up a little early. The reason being is because this hotel is a little bit larger than some of the other Springhill Suites you might stay at, and this hotel does include complimentary breakfast. Now, because it is larger and in Orlando, there are a lot of families staying here, so the later we wait, the more people there are going to be downstairs, and I would rather go down there a little earlier and take my time and have breakfast and not wait in any lines than, you know, wake up later. So we're gonna go downstairs, grab some breakfast, come back upstairs, sleep for a little bit longer, and then we are going to leave. So let's go downstairs and see what we got. Alright, just what we like to see. Not that many people, only some elderly folk. And come down the line. Koda's gonna grab her stuff. Yeah, and make a mess. I'll grab one Nana. Apple cinnamon muffins, if it'll focus. Apple cinnamon muffins. We got some blueberry muffins. Your brown sugar, some honey, and I don't know what that is. That is a cinnamon. We have our oatmeal, which looks fresh. They did just open this up at 6:30, so I would assume that everything is very flippin' fresh. Hard-boiled eggs, yogurt, cream cheese, butter. Got scrambled eggs. Got turkey sausage. Biscuits, and some gravy for them biscuits. Is it the same options on the other side? I would assume so. Yeah, it looks like the same options on the other side as well. We got our coffee machines, hot water, And juices, we got water, apple juice, orange juice, a whole bunch of those. Getting into our greens, our crunches, granola, that's what it is. Milk, skim, 2%, I'm trying both. Some more coffee, it's our regular coffee. And nothing much else on this side. Oh, we do have some more cereal. We got our Frosted Flakes and some Fruit Loops for the kids. And then more coffee. Let's see what we got going on over here. We got our toasters for our English muffins and bagels and toast. Koda found the waffles. And look, they got Mickey waffles. You can make your own Mickey waffles here. Huh? Okay. I haven't gotten anything yet, but okay. But yeah, you can make your own Mickey waffles. That is really cool. That's awesome. They have a bunch of them, a bunch of stations over here, and they have regular standard waffles as well. All right, we sat down. Got the banana, some sausage, eggs, the biscuits and gravy, and some waffles. Now, these aren't your typical Disney Mickey waffles that you find on property. These are off-property waffles. They have the same molds, but the batter is very different from what you would find on property. So they're not going to taste exactly the same, which, you know, isn't terrible. At least they're providing you with Mickey waffles. You know, you're right outside Disney property, and it's a pretty good experience. And again, breakfast is included here, so you can go up and grab as much as you want, and it is starting to pick up at the moment, so it looks like other people had the same idea to come a little early.
Yeah, some of the parks open at 8 and stuff.
Yeah, hi baby. Well, that is our one night here at the Springhill Suites in Orlando, right outside of Disney Springs. Overall, it was a very pleasant experience. Sleeping overnight, I didn't have any issues. We didn't hear any of our neighbors, which was good. I slept fairly comfortably. The bed was very comfortable. The pillows were comfortable. Babe, do you have any issues sleeping?
Just you snoring.
That's always the issue with her, just me snoring. So, other than that, it's a really nice hotel. For the price that you pay, it's not bad at all. It's definitely a good option, and the proximity to Disney property is absolutely fantastic. And they do offer shuttle services, which I do not believe is free. You have to make a reservation for that, but they do offer shuttle services to the Transportation and Ticket Center right outside of the Magic Kingdom. So Springhill Suites in Orlando, right outside of Disney Springs, and definitely a place that you want to be. Lake Buena Vista. So, okay, Springhill Suites, Lake Buena Vista. There you go. Thank you for correcting me, baby. So, anyways, definitely we'll be staying here again. So with that, we are off, and we will see you guys in the next video.
Mustn't put a kink in the hose and stop some Ben and Jerry's from sliding out.
What am I watching?
I don't know. Are hemorrhoids a problem? Sitting at this angle can cause hemorrhoids, bloating, constipation, and a butt.
Oh, Jesus.
Seriously, unicorn hemorrhoids? The glitter gets everywhere. Squat. Voila, this muscle relaxes and that kink goes away.
What is this?
Now we're ready for that. That's because our bodies were made to move in a squat.
Oh my God.
Let you squat in your own coat. Introducing the Squatty Potty.
This is a real product.
Is it really?
Yes.
There's no way.
I mean, king,
Oh my God.
It's simple science, really. Can't get the last two buttons about it. With the Squatty elimination. Spend too much time on the chamber block. The Squatty Potty makes you go twice as fast for your money.
Oh, Jesus.
I'm sorry, they're $25.
Squeezing out solid blocks of rocky road.
Oh my God. There's no way.
Plus, when you're done, it tucks neatly out of sight, thanks to its innovative patented design.
Huh.
Truly a footstool fit for a constipated king. So, if you're a human being who poops on your butt, click here to order your Squatty Potty today at squattypotty.com.
They were on Shark Tank.
My, it was on Shark Tank?
Trust the prince, How about your doctor? Shark Tank. That's first.
Shark Tank. Oh my god.
They're all crazy about the squatty potty. Not to mention the 2000.
I can only imagine this guy going on Shark Tank and having to deliver that.
I hope it was him.
Oh, squatty potty.
Oh, squatty potty.
Joy. Yet leave me empty.
Oh, Jesus.
So order your squatty potty today. I'm not saying it will make your poop as soft as this cookies and cream. But I'm not saying it won't.
Oh my
Squatty
god.
potty. Stool. For better stool. Pooping will never be the same. And neither will ice cream.
Oh man, why you gotta feed it to the children? They don't know any better.
Best thing you've ever had in your life. There you are.
No, Jesus. How long is this commercial? Please make it stop. Okay, wow.
Every broken home, I swear I lived